This is Kevin on a big snapper now. My God, look at that. Lovely snapper. Lane snapper. See that? Mm, good. Out here this Sunday morning doing some snapper fishing, you know. That is called a lane snapper. We don't have any size limit in Jamaica, so we're going to keep this one. This one is a belly full for the Jamaicans. Snapper fishing, nice day. They are a little windy, but this is not windy. This is just cool. This is not a kingfish day. It's a snapper day. If have kingfish come down, gang, take him up too. Alright, that one is a good one. That one is for the pot. What is that? Come on, man, behave yourself. Come, put him in there. See there? Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
I don't know how my rod can. I must be using pork or something. I can't get a run. You sure it's not pork you give me? I just put on pork on my rod and put shrimp on here with it. Chop. Alright then. Another snapper again.
Big snapper, man. Snapper. Good size.
It's a nice big snapper, it seems.
Good size. Yes, man. Good size.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Snapper, man. Snapper. Wow. One more to the pot.
That's another catch. One more lane snapper. As I said, no size limit, so we should keep this one again. Why? Seems like I'm using pork. As I said.
It's about about a 10, 11 inch. Yeah.
Nice. That's it. Setting up the rig again.
Yeah. Right. Actually using trip. Right.
Well, this is just an 18-foot homemade boat. A 15 Parson engine. Runs nicely. Catch a lot of fish. Kingfish, jacks, snappers. This is my rod right here, this white one here. See there? See it? Not catching that thing. We're gonna have to take it up. That is the star.
Thumbs up.
This is one more snapper. One more. This is the angler, you know. Kevin, Jamaican angler. The seafood man. Yeah, this is another. Right. So that one is a nice snapper. See him there?
Lane snapper.
That is a lane snapper, a keeper for us. So we're going to do some steaming, you see man, you wait.
So right. Yeah, down.
Do some surgery on this one, you know, because I'm swallow the bait. That is what, number 4? That one is number 4 snapper. Oh, bro. Want to get away? Not today. All right.
Another one.
Put him in the coffin. All right. I don't know what happened to my red line. You know. I can't understand this at all. What happened to my line? Look at my rod. Not even a jerk.
I did to them.
Boy, I tell you. And it's shrimp I using here. Look. That is the shrimp.
Another one. Yeah.
It's windy now. And Kevin is one more. Kevin put one more in the pan now. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one is a green jack. Nice fish.
Yeah.
It's kind of windy now, but fish, you know, we have some fish coming in.
Fish on. It's alright. Still a size.
It's kind of windy, but it's nice. It's a nice day.
Small, but yeah, go on.
Going back for one more.